Mango juice is a tasty and refreshing drink. It has many health benefits as well, including helping to reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and obesity. Mango juice can also help aid in digestion due to its high fiber content. This video will provide 5 of mango juice's best benefits. 5 benefits of mango juice. 1. Helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Mango juice has antioxidants that help to reduce the risk of heart disease. These antioxidants can also help prevent other diseases and illnesses such as cancer, dementia, asthma, osteoporosis, diabetes, and obesity. 2. Helps prevent cancer. Mango juice has various minerals that help in preventing cancer. These are the mangoes, alpha-lipoic acid, and anthocyanins. As mangoes ripen, their anthocyanins increase, leading to a greater benefit for those who drink mango juice or eat them as they mature. 3. Promotes weight loss. Mango juice is high in fiber, which helps to promote weight loss. It also has low amounts of saturated fat and cholesterol, making mango juice a healthier drink choice when trying to lose excess pounds. Mango juice's carbohydrate content can be used as an energy source for the body during long workouts or physical activities. 4. Helps aid digestion. The mango's high fiber content also aids the body in digestion. This includes its ability to help break down and absorb other nutrients consumed as well, such as proteins and calcium from dairy products. Drinking mango juice can help prevent a variety of digestive problems including diarrhea and constipation due to its soluble fiber. The mango's natural enzymes can also help in the breakdown of food. 5. Helps prevent diabetes. Mangoes have a low glycemic index and mango juice has a moderate GI rating. This means mangoes can help prevent diabetes due to their slower absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, whereas other fruit juices such as apple or orange juice will spike your insulin levels quickly. Drinking mango juice on an empty stomach can help provide a prolonged sense of fullness. For those looking for an alternative to sugary drinks, mango juice is the perfect choice because it can be enjoyed on its own or mixed with other beverages such as water, tea, or coffee. To get all the health and weight loss benefits mango juice offers, drink mango juice before a meal.